previous videos you've learned everything about the first two benefits of Lay-Red, its strength and its comfort. Today we'll focus on performance and show you a glance of the collection.
Lay-Red comes with a very strong wear layer and a twin guard lacquer for unrivaled scratch and stain resistance. Imagine that you come home and there are some little sharp stones stuck in the soles of your shoes. You will see that our patented twin guard lacquer is less sensitive for scratches than a traditional flexible LVT. In Lay-Red there are no scratches visible at all. The twin guard lacquer also provides a nice and matte appearance, even in the deepest grooves of the embossing. A lot of our competitors show glossy spots in the grooves. The unique and secret application technology we use as well provides best-in-class stain resistance. We purposely made stains with some common household product and foodstuff, and even with specially designed stain makers. A lot of them give permanent stains on our competitors' products, but not on Lay-Red.
Lay-Red is also fully water resistant. This can easily be proven by a simple test. We've immersed a piece of laminate floor and a piece of Lay-Red into water for 24 hours. The laminate starts to swell and absorbs the water, whereas the dimensions of the Lay-Red plank remain the same throughout the test. There isn't even a trace of the typical white blush on the surface of the Lay-Red plank. The installation is very user-friendly and locks securely. The floor can be installed with a minimum of tools. In most cases, a knife and a mallet suffice. The angle profile guarantees that the strength of the floor panels is always maintained. Lay-Red comes with an integrated underlay for an even better transmission sound reduction and installation speed. Check our installation movie to learn all about it.
Now what about the design? Lay-Red looks and feels as real as nature itself. The collection brings more than 30 different colors and designs in planks and tiles, ranging from a variety of woods to different stone looks. All inspired by nature and created to look extremely good. Pin-sharp details, few repetitions, a very matte finish, each plank with its own refined bevel matching with the character of the wood, and beautifully embossed textures. The embossing process, combined with the lacquer technology, adds a very realistic texture and creates a truly authentic appearance and touch. And as you can see, the back of the product is red. This is a very conscious choice. Red is the color associated with strength, confidence, warmth and power. Lay-Red, a play on words. Lay-Red and layered, referring to the unique layered structure. The red is a strong signature. It's a quality stamp only possible on our floor.
In the past videos, we've given you an extensive introduction on our newest pride, Lay-Red. Just to be sure that you would understand what exactly distinguishes Lay-Red from other products on the market, I will repeat it for the last time. Some manufacturers can make a resilient floor with acoustic and underfoot comfort. Some can make a strong floor, often referred to as rigid vinyl. Some can make a water-resistant floor, and some can make a floor with a realistic design. However, only we succeeded in combining all these benefits in one single product, Lay-Red. Together with you, we'll set a new standard in flooring.